Welcome, my name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video a conversation around building a successful business, leveraging other people's business opportunities. And so we have so many different things I can talk about when it comes to that, but I'm talking about a specific opportunity that you can leverage to build a successful business using. But this is for a particular group of people that follows to my arena, that follows my space. So for people who are already looking to start a tax preparation business for themselves, I found opportunities that I can leverage to rebuild my business without starting over. So if you like me, where you've been in this industry for 10, 15, 21 years, and you basically have to rebuild yourself and start over for rebuilding clientele up, a way to do that without doing it from scratch is to leverage other people's opportunities. So I ran across a revenue share partner program inside of a bookkeeping group, and I checked it out. I researched it. I done my due diligence on it. I found it credible. I signed up for it. So now I'm able to prepare tax returns of all kinds without starting from scratch, without going out trying to find people on my own. I've connected and partnered with a person who already has clientele. She just needs someone to service them, and we make a revenue split from that. And so that's a great way to get started or to leverage not starting over from scratch by partnering in this opportunity. So if you want to learn more about this opportunity, I'm going to leave a couple of links inside this video that's going to take you to the channel that I'm referring to that has the revenue share partner program that may be of interest to people that A, looking to start their own tax preparation business who want to leverage this opportunity along with getting started, or B, someone who's already started, who's already in the industry, who already has clientele experience, but wants to build on that without having to invest their own money directly into infrastructure or marketing to go out and get more clients. Then this is a way to tap into a pre-existing market that's already been established by another young lady who happens to be a CPA who's worked in this industry for at least 30 years. And so if you want to take advantage of that opportunity, again, I'm gonna leave the link inside the video that's gonna take you to her YouTube channel so you can check out a particular video that's gonna talk about the revenue share partner program. And then from there, you can reach out to them, talk to them, ask some questions to see if there's a good fit for you. You can reach back out to me at 773-782-1320, where we can do a Zoom call where I can walk you through the process that I go through when it comes to being a part of the revenue share partner program already. That way you get to sign up close and personal if this is something you want to be embarked on. Because to be honest with you, this is a process that's very detail orientated. And so for the person like myself who never had this type of process inside their business, because number one, I never had this type of clientele inside my business. My people were very simple individual 1040 tax returns that you can finish within 20 to 30 minutes. So the process for those type of clientele was never a need to have a robust, streamlined system put in place for that simple type of approach to preparing income taxes. But this here revenue share partner program deals with 95% of real estate investors who happen to have more complex type of returns that need to be done. And so you work with different people from all backgrounds and all experience levels. She had to implement a system that will allow checks and balances to be in place to make sure that every client that came through the pipeline, came through the doors, were serviced professionally, accurately, and correctly, where no mistakes would get by her and a tax return would be processed to find out later it shouldn't have. So this is a robust process of systems and technology that she has in place. And if you want to walk through that live with me, you can reach me at 773-782-1320. You can email me. I'm gonna have my email contact information inside my video. I might even put up my booking system to allow you to use that to book a call with me to walk you through the Zoom experience of checking out this opportunity up close and personal. It's up to you to decide if there's something you want to embark on. It's up to you to decide if this has a value proposition inside of it that's going to help you grow your tax preparation business and fast track it without starting over. See, the beautiful thing about this program, she had 4 different plans. The simple plan A, you make a $350 investment, which applies to all plans, but with the first plan, you pay that $350 and you get a 40% revenue split on all the clients that you do, and that can be more money in your pocket because she already has the clientele. And they use Drake software. I've been using Drake for over 12 years, so I already mastered Drake. So getting the work done for the software, I've mastered that. I got that done. I got that down. The other processes that go along with this revenue share partner program, I'm learning so I can get better at, so I can master the whole system and processes needed to where I can generate at least a high 5 figures next year in 2023. My goal is to at least do $40,000 with this revenue share program and another $25,000 of my own clientele for 2023, which I'm looking to do a total of 6 figures in 2023, not just from tax preparation, but from all the different things that I do in the marketplace when it comes to generating income. And so if you want to learn more about this revenue share partnership program, you want to be the person that's looking to start your own tax preparation business, and you don't want to get started by yourself, and you want to be in business by yourself and for yourself and not by yourself, you want support, training, accountability, and all those things that come with coaching and mentorship, then reach out to me. Let's talk, let's chat, let's see if we're a good fit for working together. This opportunity was one that I saw the value in right away, and I didn't hesitate to join it because the income potential alone from working with this revenue share partner program for me is 6 figures. Based on my 21 years of experience, 15 as a business owner, I can knock out 6 figures with this opportunity with no problem. And then with the other plans that's available where you can upgrade to make even more money, 6 figures is doable in your first season if you're the right type of person who's going to be dedicated, hardworking, ambitious, passionate about it, who's going to be laser focused, who's not going to let nothing distract you from being able to learn the system and do all the things you need to do to get clients on a regular basis by being reliable. That's the biggest thing about this revenue share partner program is you need reliable revenue share partners. People who gonna put they're gonna send over an availability schedule. You're gonna fill it out for the week, and whatever files you get, which means a tax return, you're gonna be able to see that client all the way through until the very end. And it's time sensitive because we don't want to be taking several days for one client when it comes to what we need to do on our end. Now, we might have to wait several days because we're waiting for them for additional information, for them to answer the list of questions that we sent over. And so when it comes to the waiting game, more so it needs to be on their behalf versus our behalf. So we do what we need to do as far as put in the tax return data inside Drake, going through last year's tax return, comparing it to this year's tax return to see if there are any significant changes. And if there's not, then we generally bump the tax return fee from last year up to 20%. And if it's a significant change, meaning they added more rental properties or they added more businesses to their portfolio, then of course the tax preparation fee will be much higher based on that. And so you must be able to determine that, and if you can't, then the people inside headquarters will do that on your behalf. And so those are some of the things that is part of the revenue share partner program. But like I said, if you want to learn more about this partnership program, reach out to me. Now I have my own revenue share partner program, which is definitely different from theirs. And mine is simply this, is that my revenue share partner program is uniquely different, where you have to go out and get your own clients. And the partnership program that I've established, which is new for this year, will be we'll split the revenue going both ways, meaning I have two tier packages that you can invest in. Tier one is $595 for 60-40 split. Tier two is $995 for 80-20. So if you decide to just do the tier two for 80-20 of $995, that means that all the new clients I go out and get for 2023, you'll get 20% of my clients' revenue, and all the new clients you go out and get for 2023, I get 20% of your clients, which means you get the 80 and I get the 80, and that's the uniqueness of the revenue share split program that's implemented. The majority of the revenue share partner programs out here today are not like that. So you have a lot of different places that might have a revenue share partner program, but it's mainly geared on how many clients that you can go out and get and bring in to the business where they can generate some income off of you. And there's nothing wrong with that business model if that's something you have to invest in, because number one, you're new, you're working by yourself, you're inexperienced, and so you need the guidance and the leadership and the training that they say they're going to give you, then that's understandable. But you don't want to end up in the hands of those type of people, because a lot of them don't have your best interest at heart in the first place. So if you want to join a revenue share program that does, you can either take advantage of the one that I'm in with the Wealth Building CPA, which is the name of the program, or you can join my revenue share program where we both go out and get clients for 2023, and we take joint, we split the revenue on both sides of the fence, meaning all the clients I'm going to get for 2023, you'll get 20, I get 80. All your clients you go out and get, I get 20, you keep the 80. And that's the uniqueness of the revenue share partner program that I'm doing. That's different from what the masses of people doing out here in this space when it comes to revenue share partner programs of any kind. So if you want to learn more about that, don't hesitate to reach out through my contact information. Let's talk, let's chat, let's build a rapport with one another, a relationship with one another. Like my video, if you know someone who can use this opportunity, share with others, please, because it's all about helping others to build a successful life and lifestyle for them and their families. And I'll see you in my next video.